Wow, Independence Day celebration at Credibel School. Credibel School is celebrating Nigeria at 63, and we are having the proprietary speech for the celebration of Nigeria at independence.
Ladies and gentlemen, esteemed educators, students, and fellow citizens, today, as we gather together to celebrate our nation's Independence Day, it is imperative that we reflect upon the reasons why this occasion holds such profound significance in our ears and hearts. Independence Day is not merely a date on the calendar. It is a symbol of our collective spirit, resilience, and the principles upon which our great nation was founded. First and foremost, Independence Day commemorates the end of colonial rule and the birth of a sovereign nation. For centuries, our ancestors endured the hardships and sacrifices necessary to free our land from the shackles of foreign domination. It was their unwavering determination, courage, and the relentless pursuit of freedom that paved the way for the establishment of an independent, self-governing nation. Independence Day is a reminder of the value of determination. It signifies our ability as a people to make decisions that shape our destiny, to chart our own course, and to determine the path of our nation's progress. It is a celebration of the power of democracy, where the voices of the people are heard through the ballot box, and leaders are chosen to represent our collective will. Independence Day is a reflection of our commitment to unity in diversity. As we come together as one nation, irrespective of our differences in language, religion, or ethnicity, our unity is our strength. And on this day, we celebrate the harmonious coexistence of our countless cultures under one flag. Independence Day is also a time to honor the sacrifices made by freedom fighters. We pay tribute to those brave men and women who, with unwavering faith, stood up against tyranny and oppression. They fought for justice, equality, and the right to determine their own destiny. Their sacrifices remind us of the importance of preserving the principles of justice and liberty for all. Furthermore, Independence Day serves as an opportunity to reflect on our achievements as a nation and to set new goals for the future. It is a time to acknowledge our progress in various fields, from education and healthcare to technology and industry, while recognizing the challenges that lie ahead. of us. In conclusion, as we come together to celebrate Independence Day, let us remember the core values that bring continuity to this occasion, which are freedom, democracy, unity, and the indomitable spirit of our people. It is a day to reaffirm our commitment to the building